in this section that we're going to talk about now, we call this the winter. And winter is cold. And it's the domain of the moon. Winter is the domain of the moon. And it's preceded by fall here, which is the sun losing its energy, mutating, using its energy. And you can see that spring over here is cardinal, and you can see here that the summer quadrant here is fixed, and then this would be fall here would be mutable. I have a spot to write it, or dissolving, or mutable, or change. And that's what happens. Trees lose their leaves. So we come into winter. So the sun here, December 21st, winter solstice dies altogether. It's in some parts of the world it's out of the sky. You don't see it for 3 days, and it starts to come back up as the months go on, or as the days go on. But for 3 days you'll see it in some parts of the world, not at all. And in other parts of the world you won't see the sun for the whole 6 months when it's cycling through this quadrant, the quadrant of the moon. So you are living off that moonlight. Anyways, okay, so then this quadrant here starts with the cardinal sign of Capricorn. And then that's 30-degree angle. It's numbered, and Capricorn is always a 10, which is a new beginning. F9 is an ending, 10 is new beginning, and Capricorn's new beginning. That's a different beginning of a whole different time of this cycle of the sun, winter. So the next one here in the 11th position is Aquarius, and then go ahead and just put Pisces in here. Is the mutable sign of winter. At Pisces is up here, number 12. It's the end of the cycle. We start to 1 again, which is right when 1 starts. That's March 21st, and Pisces is in that just below Aries here, just below March. The March 21st marking spring equinox. So it's a mutable sign, Pisces. So we have Capricorn, the cardinal sign, and it's a 10, it's an ending. Then this 11 here, see, it's new beginning. The Aquarian is the being changing the waters, is pouring the waters of knowledge into the consciousness of people. It's the age of Aquarius. So it's 11, and 11 has that quality in numerology of replenishing waters, and so Aquarius has that quality, that has that adjective of that, and that's what the 11th position means, and that's what always Aquarius means. Instead of saying 11, you'd say Aquarius in this science. The Aquarius position, the 11th position, and then Pisces, comes from the word peace in Greek. So Pisces is peace. It's the end. It's the end of activity and all that. It's a beautiful place of peace, stillness, calm, inertia, which is where everything needs to go to have a new beginning. You need to get to a 0 point, and you can see it's right here at the 0 point here, and it's the 12th sign. And so instead of saying 12, you say Pisces, or instead of saying the peace, if you would say that Sagittarius is the end, or if you would say Sagittarius over here, the number 9 position, Sagittarius is the end, then Capricorn is the beginning, and 10, and then Aquarius is the replenishing, changing, or actually it's fixed. So it's fixed. Excuse me for saying many different things and getting you confused. But it's a fixed sign. You can see it's in the middle. So Pisces, number 12, have this end, and it's a peaceful end. And it, so those are the qualities of those astrological signs, and then I can write them better for you up here. Here's Capricorn, and then here is Aquarius, and then here is Pisces. Just so you can see what they look like. And please excuse my writing. I'm writing in a very tiny little spot here, so my precision isn't that good yet. All right, so there's the winter section of the quadrant. There's the final section.